What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. It is a quick short video. I just wanted to come in here and show y'all what I got. Okay, I got an Oculus, y'all. My friends got this and they non-stop playing with it. So I got my husband the PS5 and I know he's gonna be focused on that, so I want something for myself. So I got me, oh, you can't read it backward. Oh, I try. Anyways, Oculus. I'm about to set it up right now. I wanted to open it on camera with you guys and set it up. I started, I downloaded the app already and everything. So we're gonna open this together, okay? Let's do an unboxing. How about that? Let's do an unboxing. This is so freaking beautiful, y'all. I play some of the games and it's so fun, and I literally cannot wait to like put it on and play with you, guys. So if you have one, no matter where you at, you can, I'm pretty sure no matter where you at, you can add me and we could play together, or we could play against each other, whatever the case may be. So if you want to add me, my name is Daillyt, just like my YouTube channel. So go ahead and add me and we could do this, you know. Look at that. This is so beautiful. So freaking beautiful. I am currently setting it up right now. So I've had only one person I know. Now it's looking for the headphones. I don't even know how to turn it on. Oh, I gotta plug it. So I gotta look into it to set it up. It says look into headphones to find the code. All right. Oh. Okay. All right. Let's do this. Ooh, dope. Two seven 27359. 27359. If you don't know anything about this, you need to get into it, okay? Get into it. And if you get one, please add me so we can play together, okay? That was a quick video of me opening my Oculus. I was pretty excited, so I didn't really do a very legit video, but you get the point. And if you don't know what Oculus is, I will insert a video at the end, hopefully, so I can show you what it is like. I really want it for workout because sometimes I can't go to the gym, and yeah, no, I'm on my losing mommy weight journey. So if I can't go to the gym, I heard there's a good workout in there. I want to do it. And also I want to play with my friends because they live down the street and they have it as well. So thank you guys for watching this quick YouTube video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.